Okay, so for the base of our salad, we're going to spiralize 2 whole zucchinis. Now I sped this up a little bit, but these are some of my favorite veggies to add on top of my zucchini. And it's some red onions, purple cabbage, cilantro, celery, tomatoes, carrots, any veggies that you like, and just lay them on top of the zucchini and make it look beautiful. Spend a little bit of time doing this part. This is the love part. Put all your love into making this salad look beautiful. Okay guys, so now I'm going to show you how I make the sauce. This is almost going to be like a raw soup with noodles. So I added a clove of garlic, some green onions, and I'm checking my nails. I'm going to add some pink Himalayan sea salt. You'll see some turmeric, some red pepper for spice, and you'll see some cumin. You can add however much or as little as you like for taste. And now I'm adding some coconut water, and I'll also add a little more alkaline water. Now let's put the lid on and let's give it a blend in my Vitamix. All done. Now we're just gonna pour it into a mason jar so I can add this to my soupy salad. It sounds weird, but it's really good. It's like a curry pho, but raw. And here's the beautiful part. Just pour it right over top. And that's it. Voila. Enjoy.